So guys, welcome to the NCERT discussion. We are discussing the second chapter of the NCERT, and this is question number 2.17. So it says calculate the wave number for the longest wavelength transition in the Balmer series of atomic hydrogen. So now, what do we infer from longest wavelength? Okay. So when he talks about longest wavelength, okay. So we know that for the electromagnetic radiation, C equals to lambda into frequency. So frequency equals to C by lambda. Okay. So if he's talking about the longest wavelength, okay, if he's talking about the longest wavelength, then he's indirectly telling us that it is about the the smallest frequency, the smallest frequency. We know energy is given by h nu. So if the nu is going to be smallest, then he's telling about he's talking about the lowest energy transition. So he's talking about the lowest energy transition. Okay, so this is what we infer from the longest wavelength. Now when he talks about the Balmer series, okay, so when he talks about the Balmer series, so this Balmer series starts from n1 equals to 2, okay, and n2 can be 3, 4, 5 and so on. Okay, so when you are talking about the lowest energy transition, then for the lowest energy transition it has to be the shortest change in the orbitals, or the lowest possible change in the excited states. So that changes from 2 to 3 or 3 to 2. Okay, 2 to 3 is what we will consider. We will not be considering 2 to 4, or we will not be considering 2 to 5, because there would be a considerable amount of energy in this due to the gap in the orbitals. Okay. So we will be considering only 2 is to from 2 to 3. Okay. So if you talk about the formula for the wave number, okay. So the formula for wave number is the wave number equals to 1 upon n1 square minus 1 upon n2 square into 1.097 into 10 to the power 7 meters inverse. Okay, so 10 to the power 7 meters inverse. So this is going to be 1 by 4 minus 1 by 9 into 1.097 into 10 to the power 7. Okay, so this thing would be, if you calculate this is going to be 9 minus 4, 5 by 36 into 1.097 into 10 to the power 7, which is equal to 1.5236 into 10 to the power 6 meters inverse. Okay. So this is the wave number for the longest wavelength transition, or the lowest energy transition in the Balmer series of atomic hydrogen. Okay. So one of the confusion that students usually have in this question is that there's a formula in the NCERT which says the wave number is equal to 109,677 into 1 upon 2 square minus 1 upon n square for Balmer series. So this thing is in centimeter inverse. Okay, this thing is centimeter inverse. So this can also be written as 1.097 into 10 to the power 5, 1 by 2 square minus 1 by n square centimeter inverse. Okay. So to convert this centimeter inverse into meter inverse, okay, this 10 to the power 5 will become 10 to the power 7. Okay. So this is the reason we have 10 to the power 7 in the formula. Okay, remember this is meter inverse. This is not meter. Okay, so we will use the inverse relation between centimeter and meters. Okay, so I hope this clarifies your doubt in the question. Okay, thanks for watching.